Why, hello, it's me, Mr. Sasaki, and I'm here for Minuet 3 from Suzuki Violin Book 1. Alright, this is the most melodic of the three minuets, and I want to start with two fun facts about this piece. Fact number 1, it was not written by Bach. It was actually written by his contemporary Christian Petzold. What Bach had was a little guest book at home that he would have people sign in, write a musical greeting, a little joke, musical thing to Bach, and Bach would sometimes play through these melodies and like them so much to actually use them in his own compositions. Number 2, this was a famous pop song. In 1965, the now forgotten girl group The Toys recorded this song. They actually used the first half melody from the first half of the song, and it became their biggest hit. It was called A Lover's Concerto, hitting number 2 on the Billboard charts, held out from number 1, get this, by the Beatles and Yesterday. Like, the music history behind all of that. That's crazy, right? Bach, Petzold. 1, 2, 3. So how did you do? Let me know in the comments below. Check in. Let me know how you're doing. If you found value in this, like, share, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.